House Speaker Martin Romualdez and other local government officials inspected the raided Pogo hubs in Bamban, Tarlac and Porac, Pampanga. During their inspection, authorities presented some confiscated items in the Pogo hubs like baseball bats, electric sticks, and golf sticks. They are allegedly used as torture devices. 20 Chinese military uniforms were also discovered in these hubs. Meanwhile, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, or PAOC, said the raided Pogos were involved in spreading text scams. PAOC spokesperson Winston Casio explained that scam farms started targeting Filipinos due to the low scam awareness in the country.
Dahil nga sa medyo humihina sila doon, they're also looking for dito naman sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang, dahil nga dito sa total ban na ginawa ng Presidente, all of them are getting out. Marami kami natatanggap na report na kanya-kanyang puntahan sa mga airport, seaports, kung saan para lang makalabas ang Pilipinas.